Hey, Joel Vasquez here, the infamous Joel.com, and today we're going to talk about how to make $927 on autopilot with no experience or product. Okay? I know that might sound mind-blowing to you at first, but hear me out. Thousands and thousands of people are doing this every single day, okay? You got to start believing that this stuff is true. If you're going to sit there and procrastinate and you're going to sit there and be skeptical, then nothing's going to happen for you, okay? It's not as hard as you would think, okay? And it's all done for you on autopilot with no experience and no product. So let's get started. Ready? Now, what we're going to be talking about here is a method called affiliate marketing, okay? And affiliate marketing, you're essentially the middleman. You're essentially selling proven products that billion-dollar, multi-million-dollar companies are already selling a ton of, okay? They're already selling a ton of this stuff with or without you. You're just getting yourself in the right place at the right time, okay? You generate a sale, you convince someone to buy this product, you get a commission, okay? Pretty simple, right? So the way we're going to break it down here is the simplest thing to give away is something for free, right? So this is a free book from a company called ClickFunnels. This book is called Expert Secrets, okay? And it's a fantastic book. Anyone looking to get into online business and learning how to set up their personality online, how to sell, etc., right? They're going to want to have this book, okay? The book is technically free if you buy it directly from ClickFunnels, plus shipping, okay? So overall, you're going to pay about $7 and some change, all right? Now, you get someone to get this free book. Simple, right? And they're taken over to ClickFunnels and they put in their credit card information. They basically pay for shipping, okay? Now, they're over there at ClickFunnels. They get their free book in the mail. Now, ClickFunnels now has their email. And the best thing about ClickFunnels is that they have this system called sticky cookies, okay? What is sticky cookies? It means that since you introduced this customer to this book, okay, this customer is now attached to you for life, okay? Meaning that anything else that they ever choose to buy from the ClickFunnels group, the company, these guys, anything else that they ever choose to buy, you will continue to get commissions. So it's not about that first free book that you're going to get about $1. I think it says $1. You're going to get $1 for that first free book. That's nothing, okay? What the real benefit is now that customer is now attached to you for life, okay? Barring anybody else introducing them to something else, okay? But if they don't ever buy from somebody else and they only bought through you, but they continue to buy ClickFunnels stuff, I know that's a little bit confusing. They continue to buy ClickFunnels stuff and not from any other human being affiliate like you, okay? They continue to buy your affiliate stuff, basically, okay? You don't have to do any further selling. ClickFunnels will do all the selling for you. Remember, you gave them a free book. You got $1 from that. Now ClickFunnels will continue to email them and send them little marketing packages and tell them congratulations, this and that. Did you enjoy the book? Hey, maybe you want to buy this, buy that. Okay. The next thing they might try to sell them is this thing called the black box, and it's $37. You'll earn $14.80. Then they'll try to sell them the storytelling secrets. Well, if they like the black box, maybe they'll like the storytelling secrets. Let's pitch them. Let's coach them. Let's talk them through the sale. They'll buy this for $37 and you'll get $14.80. Okay. And then, hey, did you like that? We got audiobooks, etc. They basically keep them, upselling them. They keep selling them new products, different products. They keep upselling them bigger packages, all the way up to the Funnel Builder Secrets, which is this massive training on really exploding your business online. This kind of one-on-one coaching stuff. Okay. So all the way up to that. So remember, all you did in this sequence was get someone to get a free book from you. Expert Secrets. Okay. You got $1 from that. After that, you totally disappear. Okay. You never have to do anything ever again. That's why this is on autopilot. Okay. And you can see a little bit of a diagram of how this works. You gave them the book. Now ClickFunnels takes over. ClickFunnels will continue to sell them and sell them and sell them and sell them other stuff. Not to mention if they go buy just any old other thing on their own, they're always attached to you. They can even choose to sign up for ClickFunnels. Okay, if they sign up for ClickFunnels, then you will be getting about $38 a month okay, because of the monthly fees of paying for ClickFunnels. But remember, they're attached to you for life. All you did was give them a free book. Okay, that's all you did. They signed up for a free book. They paid a few dollars. Okay, and after that, they are attached to you forever. This is why so many people promote ClickFunnels, because their affiliate program is outstanding. Right? You do very little work. They take over for you. And trust me, ClickFunnels and Russell Brunson and them, they're like master salesmen. They're going to get some more money for you, okay? They're going to make sure that you get paid more than just $1. Okay? They're great at selling a lot of their stuff, and their stuff is high quality. This isn't like scammy crap, you know. This is really in-depth tutorials and breakdowns of how you build your online business. And there's a lot of people out there trying to build their online business now. And ClickFunnels is a great teaching tool for that. So this is how you would make the $927 on autopilot, because all you did was give them the free book, right? And then after that, ClickFunnels and their team, Russell Brunson and them, they just take over. They just start selling them other stuff. But every time they buy something else, hey, there's more money in my account. Hey, look at that. You know, you're going to get addicted to this. This is amazing. But what would you do? Okay, one thing that you can do, one of the easiest things to do, right? You go over here to Facebook. All right, don't mind my page. It's terrible. All right, bunch of crap on there. You go over here to Facebook, and you would go to, let's say, Affiliate Marketing Worldwide or anything, right? Go to these groups. Go to Facebook groups. There's tons of different groups, online entrepreneur groups, online business groups, startup groups, online marketing, digital marketing. Start doing searches up here in Facebook and look for groups and join these groups. Okay, there's thousands and thousands, sometimes hundreds of thousands of people gathering in these groups, discussing a whole bunch of array of different stuff, okay? They have problems, they have questions, they're trying to figure out how to build their business online. They're gathering here, they're raising their hands, and they're telling you, I need help building my online business. And then you come with this free book, is, hey, you know, this book isn't, you know, you need help building your online business. This is the book that's going to help you get there, okay? You give them it's a free book. Check this out. They go through your link, okay? ClickFunnels will give you a special link that's just yours, okay? That's how they know that this customer went through you and you get paid, right? And they go and get this free book, and it's a win-win. It helps them because it is a great book, right? You get paid $1, but now that person is attached to you for life. And remember, this person is already on a mission to build an online business. So now that person continues to buy ClickFunnels products. He might even sign up for the ClickFunnels membership. Okay? You're getting paid on autopilot, all for convincing somebody in one of these groups just to get this free book. You know, simple. A free book. Okay? Pay shipping. That's it. And that's all you did. You can literally be in these Facebook groups all day long pitching this book. You know what I mean? Now, the best thing to do, right? The best thing to do is not so much just go up here and spam your link, and nobody likes spam, right? Everybody hates that kind of stuff. So if you see somebody post something like, hey, I'm having a problem with such and such, give them some insightful stuff, you know, give them some help. And then when they start to trust you and like you a little bit more, then you can be like, hey, there's this book that really helped me out. You want to check it out? It's free, you know, and by this time, since you've been so helpful, they don't mind. Hey, sure, let me check that book out. Here's one of the best ways you can do it. Instead of just posting your raw link, what you can do is actually build a funnel, okay? And it's not hard, okay? I know that sounds scary for a lot of you getting started, but you can actually just build a funnel. And let me see if I can find something here. Show more. Okay, this should do. Simple funnel, okay? I made a very, very simple one. This is just a two-step funnel. That's all it is, okay? Two-step funnel. So you'd be on the Facebook group, okay? You'd be on the Facebook group, and you'd say, hey, you know, check this book out. Now, you won't send them directly to the book. You might have something free to give away yourself. Maybe a video, maybe your own small book, or your own little cheat sheet, or your own tips and tricks, or your own, you know, whatever else you can come up with. It doesn't have to be something insane. You're giving away a free book. You could technically just send them straight to the free book if you want. But this is how you would build what's called a list, an email list. Okay, this is how you would build an audience You know, you would take them over to this page called an opt-in page, okay? Take them over to the opt-in page. They'd give you your email. You'd give them this free thingy, okay? Whatever it is that you came up with. Then from this opt-in page, they'd go to a thank you page where you can have a video there. I do, but you know, a lot of people don't like video, but you can just have a few words. Hey, thank you for your order. You know, I'm going to send over this thing to your email. Check it out. By the way, here's the link to the free book I was telling you about. You know what I mean? And that's it. That's it. Little tiny simple mini websites that are so simple anybody can set them up, and ClickFunnels is the software that I use to make them. You don't need to use ClickFunnels. You use something free like WordPress or something. I think that it's a little bit more complicated. It takes a little bit more time, but if you want to do the free route, you can go ahead and use WordPress. But set up these tiny little websites, okay? They're tiny. They don't even cover a full page. Just a few words. Hey, give me your email and press this button. It takes them over to the next thing. A few words. Hey, thanks for ordering the thing. Here's the book I was talking about. Press this button. That's it. Okay? That's it. And once these pages are made, you make them once and they're there forever. You don't have to keep making pages over and over again, okay? You don't have to be like a master website maker. Just these two tiny little pages. Make them in like 2 hours, even if you're a beginner, because they're tiny. You know what I mean? Just a few words and a button. That's it. And you're over here and you're in Facebook all day long convincing people, check out this book, man. Oh, here's some helpful tips and tricks. You know, I actually got that from this book. You got to check this book out. Now, on all day long, you're getting these little dollar sales, but on autopilot, right? ClickFunnels is taking over for you, doing all the sales on the back end, making you tons of money, okay? Easy stuff. Easy stuff for any beginner to get started. They actually came up with this system to get people started making money online. This is Welcome to Expert Secrets affiliate program. This is why they made this system this way, because they know affiliate marketing is huge. It's growing. People are loving it. They're getting into it. And ClickFunnels said, you know, how can we get people started in this stuff? How can we get people going? Because a lot of people don't really believe that affiliate marketing could work for them. They don't believe in themselves. So they said, you know what? All people really usually want is to see $1, just to see $1 from this affiliate marketing stuff so they can believe that it's true. That's all you really want. Most people getting started in affiliate marketing, how do I get my first dollar? You know what I mean? How does this actually work? You know what I mean? So when you give away just a free book, they'll give you the dollar. And there it is, proof. It's like once you see this dollar in your account, you'll be like, wow, this is real, man. This really works. And it really will propel you to work even harder and really open up the hood and try to figure out how all this works so that you can get even better, so you can start making the big money. You know what I mean? Some of these gurus and stuff. Okay? So that's what I would recommend. You're a beginner. You know, this is the best beginner product to promote. I believe I even have 2 of the books in the description of my YouTube. I think I put them there forever ago. And I have a handful of sales from them. And I didn't do anything. I just put out YouTube videos and people are just interested in the books, and they're great. You know what I mean? They're great, but these books are easily worth $30, $40. I mean, this book alone, Expert Secrets, is like a $10,000 copywriting course that he compacted into a book. You know what I mean? It's the value of it is insane. I learned so much from this book. I didn't even finish reading all of it yet. I'm only like halfway through, and I'm like, holy moly, you know what I mean? And the other one, .com Secrets, which is like its sister book. It's more about sales funnels. I finished that entire book, and it's like, wow, you know what I mean? That's why I know so much about this stuff, because I learned so much about how to sell online, how to set up funnels. You know, it's sell this book. Okay, that's it. That's all. That's the meat and potatoes of what I'm trying to tell you. Sell this book. Okay, this book right here is your beginning ticket to affiliate marketing. Forget all this other stuff you see about, you know, how to make this much money in a day and stuff. Most of the people saying all that have been doing this for like 15 years, and they have a massive list. And like, I'm just telling you true game. Okay, if you're a beginner, you need something free to give away. And just to have proof that, hey, I got $1 from it. This is real stuff. You know what I mean? This actually works. Let me actually bury my head in it and actually get better at it, because it's a skill set. If you know how to sell, okay, if you learn how to sell, let me get preachy in a second. If you learn how to sell anything in this life, you will never go hungry. That is the only skill you ever need. Forget about school, flush it all down the toilet. If you learn how to sell, you will never ever in your life go hungry. I don't care what the economy is. I don't care anything. Selling is a ridiculously complex skill to have. Only the most talented and most incredibly dedicated people learn how to sell effectively. Okay, but anybody can do it. Anybody can do it. Okay, but you have to dedicate yourself. And I'm not talking about today, but at some point, you know, just start with this book. Get this $1 just so you can see how real it is. Hey, I gave away a free book. I got $1. Hey, you know, maybe there is something to this, and then you'll start, you know, improving your skills. You know, come to these Facebook groups, take all the advice that I was talking about, and let me know how it worked out. So leave a comment in the comment section below, and tell me if you sold your first free book. You know what I mean? If you really got it off the ground, if you really were able to get this thing going. Basically, what you're going to do is go over to clickfunnels.com, sign up for the affiliate program, get your special link for the free book. This one's called Expert Secrets. They have another one called .com Secrets. And they'll give you your special link, and then you just start promoting it. That's it. You know, it's pretty simple. All right, so like the video if you got any value from it, and subscribe to the channel because I give tips and tricks all the time just like this. All right, the infamous Joel, and I'm out.